actually, you don't buy into a dead end when you buy into a Power App because it can continue to be customized. And I think I remember when way back in the day when I used to run a little IT reseller, we were always seeing people having, say, for example, within construction industry, having bought into a particular software that was built on some ancient system, and the people had long since lost the interest in actually developing it. So really, they bought themselves into a dead end, but they did have it customized for them to start with. But the business moves on. The industry moves on. But actually, you don't buy into a dead end when you buy into a Power App because it can continue to be customized. And I just think this is a really exciting time to actually be looking at that type of application going into some very niche markets, really. And they don't need to be big markets because they don't have to cost a huge amount of money to create.
We've had conversation with customers where, according to a platform, they want a new feature. It's either not going to happen, or if it does happen, they've got to wait for the release when everyone gets it. Whereas with a Power App, you want it, when you want it. It's that straightforward. So, I think it releases an awful lot of constrictions and restraints on SMBs in particular. And I said before, it's not as frightening a thought of building your own app. And also, as we said to a lot of customers, you're not tied into one partner. It's an open architecture type process, and you can go elsewhere and get new flows done, new forms built, new entities added. It's all feasible.